Hey, just wanted to touch base about a few things I wanted to share. So, last night's webinar was so good. It was giving summer tips, and they will not be having a Monday night webinar next week because of Memorial Day. But if you've missed one or just want to listen to a playback, I suggest doing so. And also having a plan for Memorial Day. I wonder if you guys, like, that's a process. A healthy person has a plan. And if we're creating this new identity for ourselves, you know, what's going to set you up for success? Are you going to meal plan? Are you going to bring something? Are you going to actually speak to the people that if you're going to go visit family, are you going to talk to them and tell them you're changing your lifestyle and that you're working on balancing blood sugars and, just like stand up for yourself. Nobody else is going to. I wanted to share with you, I finished the book and it was amazing. I am so proud of myself for reading that. I think I started reading in January and now I'm done here. I just finished a couple weeks ago. And so I'm going back to the basics of the book. This will be the third time I think I've read this. But it's like the Bible, honestly, in the fact that it changes because your life circumstances change and you have different awareness. So I love learning and I just absolutely love this. I'm going to read it to you. So one of the biggest and most powerful realizations we can ever have is to know that our life path is fixed. The way you think, you guys think about this, the way you think, the way you act, the people you spend time with, and even the world we live in can all be changed. And all the things are possible if you have the capability over time. I love this. With specific focus, guidance, and practice, okay, can't just think about it, to become the dominant force in your life. And then a couple other things too, that their approach has gone from focusing on what's wrong, meaning you guys as clients or us as individuals, focusing on what's wrong in their lives, to a mindset of asking, how can I change and what do I need to learn? If you knew everything, you'd already be at your goal. There's something to learn. And how can I include others in my journey? So I wanted to emphasize that. One more thing is like the process of writing, it gives you, it's actually a healing process to journal. In psychology, like this is a big deal. So writing a different story for your identity is a really important thing. Have you guys like rewritten your story? It's something that you work on constantly. It's not just a one-time done and deal. So when's the last time you updated that? And rather than filling in the blanks, we really want to have a documentary of advancement towards healthier and more thriving living. So it shows you too how far you've come. I mean, the gap and the gain, and that is so powerful. So if you want a good book, that's a good one, because a lot of times we'll measure in what we don't do versus how far we've come, and it will really affect you psychologically. So that's why when we do a client check-in, I'm asking, how are you? And then what are your wins for the week? And you having that awareness of them, that you're watching for them, that you're seeing that positivity in your mindset. And then remembering your story and just how to shift and adjust that. I was talking about that. So I do want to invite you guys as well. If you're in Utah, there's an event on June 6th at 6:30 p.m. at 6 o'clock at June 7th, Wednesday, June 7th. And if you want to go to that with me, that'll be super fun. And that's at the Smithson's house, and so I can get you information on that. But more importantly is the incredible opportunity to go to convention. I wonder if you have the desire to go. They don't broadcast it. It's like they've tried doing that in the past because of COVID, and because they used to only do in person, and then they did COVID style, and they found and looked at the studies, and it's not helping people unless they're there in person, and they take personal commitment to investing into themselves and to what they're becoming. So at convention, we mostly talk about personal development. And so there's a lot of clients who come. Yes, there's a lot of coaches who come as well, but just feel welcome to come and feel the positivity and be uplifted and inspired. So let me know if you have any interest in that. It's in July. It's the very last weekend in July. Just Google Optavia convention and we'll give you all the information. So let's reach out today and touch base. And I hope you have an incredible day. I am so passionate. Oh, I didn't even mention, don't forget, if you have any referrals, I do referral credit. And we have that client special going on right now. It's so random that Optavia did it, and it's pretty awesome. So I would love to give back to more people and include more people into your circle of healthy people. So let me know if you have any referrals. and anybody on your heart that you that maybe wants to feel as good as you do, or having those shifts and changes and habits and mindset. Anyway, or if you want a co-coach, I also had a deal going on with that. So let me know. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.